There is only one entity that doesn't file a tax return, that doesn't have to register with the state, that doesn't have to report to anybody. That is a 508c1A. You can use this as a private family foundation or a private family church, but I would caution you against going out and abusing this as some sort of business entity or some other type of entity that just doesn't have to pay taxes. When you go read the tax code, it's a church or an association of a church, and if you're not meeting those guidelines, if you do get audited, you're going to be in a bunch of hot water. Yes, you can use it as a W-2 tax strategy, and in fact, if you have a W-2, then perhaps you should. But what you shouldn't be doing is you shouldn't be taking that money that's going into that entity, into that private family church, and going and gambling it away. You still have to be accountable. You still need to do the right thing. There are guidelines that the IRS has around these types of entities, and you should follow those guidelines, not some bunch of baloney that you found on TikTok or Instagram. So if you want a 508c1A, you have maybe some W-2 taxes, then you should go look into that. But what you shouldn't do is you shouldn't abuse it.